So what are your interests? Well, all I want you to do here is literally write down a list of things you're interested in. I don't want you to give it a massive amount of thought. I just want you to get a piece of paper or whatever it is and just start writing stuff. Okay, so here's my list. All right, I wrote down running, cooking, wine, tennis, football, music, hiking, camping, cycling, reading, teaching, dogs, cats, clothes, travel, family, eating out, and triathlons. Okay, that's my list. I literally made that list in, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes, and that's exactly what I want you to do. Don't think, oh, which one do I prefer or anything like that. Just start writing them out. You'll be surprised how many there are. Okay, so just get a piece of paper and write out your list before you move on to the next lecture. Okay, so promise me that, and I'm going to see you in the next lecture where we're going to dive over to Amazon and actually pull out a cool niche for you.